Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And we are headed to a car meet that I have never been to before. I don't know the location. I don't know what type of cars are gonna be pulling up. We're going in blind. So if you guys are excited, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. Let's get on the way. Whew. This meet's pretty interesting because it's not held super early in the morning. Like it's like 11 o'clock right now. It technically just started up now, but consider the fact that I've never been there before. Getting there early don't really matter because it could be a bust for all I know. Car, man. Oh, I mean, look, it's dirty, but that means I drive it. All right, I'm gonna let this car warm up. We don't need gas, which is a massive W, so we're gonna head right over there. If it's dead, oh well. But I think it might be pretty nice because typically on Sundays, beginning of the month, fellas are popping out. All right, we are on the road now. Actually, plugging in the address, I may have been to this location like 6-7 months ago. I don't remember it whatsoever, but the surrounding area looks somewhat familiar. But we're about to see. We're about to see. Gotta let the oil tent warm up. We're about to see, man. We're in track mode. Woo. Come on now. Driving hella sketch. Ooh, and he's smoking that loud too. As soon as I passed this car, I smelled it. Jesus, it's loud. He's hotboxing the hell out that car. Directions took me on a weird route, but I mean, look at that. Like, that army truck up there. I think they use that to like lay bridges or make bridges and stuff like that, like over like bodies of water or, you know, debris areas where like Humvees couldn't get over easily without completely wrecking their shit. And look at this. That thing is pretty badass, I ain't gonna lie. That shit crazy. Now, since we're just going ahead and cruising to this little location, let me know down in the comment section what type of car meets / car shows do you guys like to go to? You guys like to go to the meets where it's just straight supercars and and everybody else is kind of like off to the side? Or do you like the meets where it's like a mixture of everything and there's like quote-unquote unique builds there? You know, honestly, I like the shows where like there's more unique builds, because obviously I'm talking, you know, as a person that doesn't have a supercar, but I feel like if you realistically wanted to go see like nothing but supercars, you could just go to like a dealership and you can see the exact spec cars that are at the meets, you know, at the dealership. Because I live close to a McLaren dealership, I live close to a Porsche dealership, I think Lamborghini as well. I think Lamborghini Houston is like literally, we might have passed it legitimately as we're on our way to this meet right now. But I feel like I could just go there and just, you know, look at shit. So, and on top of that, like sit in the car, because they have to go ahead and, you know, treat you as a buying customer, even if you're, you know, just looking. So let me know what y'all think, man. Actually, no, and the dealership's actually about to come up soon. So literally, like, it's like on the way, like half the meets that I go to, I pass the same cars that I'm gonna see there, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. It's kind of crazy when you think about it. Like, I literally pass like a Lambo and a Porsche dealership and the McLaren dealership every time I go to Post Houston, just to go see the same cars that are probably coming from that dealership, you know, 30 minutes away, when they're literally like 5 minutes down the road. Kind of crazy, but hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna hit you guys up when we get close to the location. We're only like, I think like 20 minutes away. Yeah, like 23 minutes away, so we'll be there in no time. I think it's actually closer than Post Houston, which is pretty dope, pretty dope. Quite a bit of traffic, which is kind of concerning. Is this gonna be another Post Houston where we can't get parking? Very well could be. Whew. That's a clean BMW right there. Really clean. We're like 3 minutes away, so we will see how this is for sure. I hope this is good, because I actually don't think I've been to this location before. It doesn't look familiar whatsoever. It does, and I came from a different direction. Possibly due to traffic. Oh, just a pedestrian crossing. Trying to blow through here going quick, because I don't know where I'm going. This has to be that side of Houston, if you know what I mean. Not speed through here. We got bumps. School zone. Hello? I know it's probably, dude, I wouldn't even want to think about how difficult it would be to park right there. Oh, I gotta turn here. Did I go the right way? This don't seem right whatsoever. Like, it literally does not seem right at all. Did I make a wrong turn, or did, like, I put the Addy in wrong? Cause it is entirely, I feel, too quiet for there to be stuff going on. I'm here apparently. I don't think so.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I actually was gonna pull in here and make a phone call, but then I figured out they're over here. But oh my gosh, we're gonna have to figure out exactly how to get over there. I'm assuming you could just pull up in. Apparently can just pull up in here. Fuck it, we're just gonna pull up in here. We'll just pull up in here. This is actually pretty dope, I ain't gonna lie. I'll turn my shit on right here. This is actually pretty sick. I've actually never been to this location. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record much because they blasted music, but I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of dope. Alright, so we're gonna check this place out because this is actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, but like I said, I don't know how much I'm gonna record because they playing music, but I guess the vibe, who gives a shit? Well, I'll try my best, guys.